Curry fried chicken drumettes. This is my attempt to cook fried chicken in a microwave oven. I didn't get the crunchy fried chicken like what a deep fried chicken would offer me, but I was happy after eating because I don't have oily pans to clean. In a small bowl, combine the ketchup, honey, soy sauce, curry powder, salt, and black pepper, then mix well. Spread the marinade mixture all over the chicken drumettes, then marinate for at least 1 hour. Put the chicken inside a microwave-safe plate, then sprinkle the cornstarch on top of each chicken. Drizzle with olive oil. Make sure that there are spaces in between each chicken to prevent the pieces from sticking with each other. Cover the plate or bowl, then cook for 8 minutes using 600 watts. Tear the lettuce into easy-to-bite pieces, then arrange in a serving plate. Put the chicken on top of the lettuce, then you can serve.